Be warned, this video contains woodworking done by someone who does not care about square, flat, plumb or fine details. This person will use angle grinders or even a jigsaw would do a better job. Don't watch this if you have any kind of OCD. That person is Kevin and that's me. Most wood I use is upcycled furniture from old people that died. I restrict myself to a 5 kilometer pickup radius. My quote-unquote shop space is 1.5 meters by 1.8 meters. Due to the small layout and indecisiveness, the layout in this chicken coop-sized workshop has changed more than I would like to admit to myself, let alone the internet. There's about 4 bed frames, 3 oak cabinets and 2 giant cupboards that were used to store cheese. Yes, I'm Dutch, that's not Germany. And today I'll add a bed frame to that collection. I assumed the bed frame would be pine. No one offered any free oak furniture and all the rest of it is oak. Turns out to be mango wood. Someone with actual skills put some effort into making it. All I can tell the person, hey, I'm sorry about doing this to your work, but it was this or the dump, so at least someone's using it. I'll be building a lower shelf. That is to store stuff without me having to climb on my bench. Somewhere I have gotten old, and climbing or bending over is no longer fun or without effort. So this video is mainly me struggling to clamp, cut or fit everything together. Most pieces are bigger than my shop space is long, wide or tall. The 2 main stretches will be glued together to make a single shelf, and the airport will be used to make the doors. I really hope that my Sunday morning struggles are fun to watch. There's a bunch more coming up and there's no wiggle room for the shelf to go in. And the door frame blocks it from going in straight. Let's just say it has taken me 5 hours and a lunch break just to get that bad boy in place. Well, that's perfect. Don't touch it. This hobby is so relaxing, you should really try it out. Next I'll have to disassemble the headboard. That thing is half the size of my workshop's floor space. I did end up buying a circle saw. I just didn't get the charger in the mail yet. So halfway I cut that battery died. Yay. But hey, there's a lot of nice wood in there. Only the thinner birds turned out to be plywood. So that was a lot of effort for 2 pieces of ply. I used to plane down rebates like this, but using the angle grinder is so much faster. And again, just look at it. That's a nice piece of wood right there. It would be a shame if some dude just abused it for something, but pine would also be fine. The white hose base shelf in there is part of my shed structure, so there's a 9 centimeter beam in there. The plan was to remove the OSB as it would give me a lot more space within the cabinet itself, but I don't have any tools to remove it properly and the electrical work is attached to it, so I decided to just leave it in place. I'm sorry about that. It's fine. All of this was a lot of effort, to be honest. I did learn my lesson. Don't buy big and heavy tools. But now I'm just happy that it all fits inside and that it's done. So I'll get back to sending my next carving video. If you want to see that, consider a like or subscribe. Thanks, and thanks for watching this one. Bye.